Right now, we're going to use Hostinger to get our hosting. It's one of the best options out there right now because it's very fast, and at the same time, it's also very affordable. Now, I also have an additional discount you can use. By using the first link down below in the video description, you'll get an additional discount when choosing your hosting plan. So make sure you use that link. Once you click on it, you will get to this website here. Then, we're going to scroll down to the different hosting plans. Now I recommend to get the premium web hosting. It has everything that we need for our website, and we can also get a free domain, so the name of your website is going to be included in this package right here. So we're going to click on Add to Cart. Then here we can choose our billing cycle, meaning how many months in advance we're going to pay for our hosting. The cheapest option is going to be the 48 months option. I would recommend this option if you know that you're going to use your website for multiple years. However, if you're not sure if you're going to use your website for that long, you can also go with one of the lower options here. If you want to get the free domain, so the free name of your website, you want to go with either the 12 months, the 24, or the 48 months option. Now I'm going to just do an example website here in this video. So I'm going to go with the 12-month option, and then we're going to scroll down where we're going to need to type in our email address. Then here we can choose our payment option, and then before you move on to the payment, make sure that you got an additional discount here. Then simply type in your payment information and click on Submit Secure Payment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.